Welcome back to our channel, where we explore everything related to healthy living and self-care. Today's topic is all about superfoods that can help promote healthy skin. Did you know that the foods you eat can have a direct impact on the health of your skin? In this video, we're going to explore 3 superfoods that can help give you the glowing, radiant skin you've always wanted. So let's get started. The first superfood on our list is avocados. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with healthy fats and antioxidants that can help improve the health of your skin. You can use avocados in a variety of ways, such as mashing them up into a DIY face mask or using them as a base for a healthy salad dressing. Eating avocados regularly can also help keep your skin moisturized and prevent dryness and flakiness. Next up, we have blueberries. These little berries are bursting with vitamins and antioxidants that can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Eating a handful of blueberries each day can help improve the overall health of your skin and give you a more youthful appearance. You can also add blueberries to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt for a healthy and delicious snack. Last but not least, we have sweet potatoes. These root vegetables are a great source of beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for healthy skin, as it can help promote cell turnover and prevent the buildup of dead skin cells. You can incorporate sweet potatoes into your diet in a variety of ways, such as baking them, roasting them, or adding them to soups or stews. These are the 3 superfoods that can give you the glowing complexion you've always wanted. Whether you're adding them to your diet or using them topically in a DIY beauty treatment, these superfoods are sure to help improve the health of your skin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy living tips and tricks.